How to enable full screen with status bar on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable full screen but with status bar on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera and then click this Opera icon here, and now click this one, settings icon, and then just go down until you find this one, full screen, and click on it, this one. And now all you need to do is just click here, enable it with status bar, click on it, and now full screen is enabled with status bar. And if you want to turn it off, just click here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.